right there. Go, girl. Yeah.
What's up, Fire Squad? Nana and Eliott.
Can you believe Nana's cooking my grandma? And you know the cool thing is, you know, she taught me everything I know. Now I surpassed her cooking skills.
And ooh, she gonna get mad at you when she do that.
Close to the cooking time. We got a lot of ingredients here from Walmart, from our Walmart grocery haul. And yeah, I'll link the video to the actual shopping down below. But yeah, we're excited. Got some gravy packs, you name it. We got hamburger meat from Meatloaf, and then we have this. Rinsing off these strawberries. Comment down below, do you rinse your strawberries?
Hell yeah.
You rinse them every time, Nana?
I eat the leaves.
Sure do. You eat the leaves? Ain't that supposed to be good, bad for you? Like there's something in the, like...
I eat the leaves too.
You eat leaves? No, we don't eat strawberry leaves at least. But the strawberries is going to our strawberry shortcake. It's Nana's recipe. It's the one she stole from me when I was only 12. So with these strawberries we're cutting, we're gonna let them soak in some sugar and water, right, Nana? So I'm gonna cut them up. Sugar in here to let the strawberries sit. There's 1 cup. You said 2 cups?
Yeah.
There's 2 cups. Alrighty. I would clean as I go. You know.
Well, I do.
We are not going in any order. This is literally our cooking vlog, all types of ways. So we getting the green peppers and the onions, and we're gonna put it in the blender. The reason why is because Mom and a lot of the kids will not eat the onions, you know, bigger pieces and the peppers. So we blend it up for the meatloaf. Eliott, where you going? She ain't trying to smell that onion. You smell that onion, Faith? You remember that day, Eliott, Faith, she put onion in her eye after she was trying to like cut it with a butter knife? Lordy. Look at this, was on the floor. We could have fell, Nana. You won't gonna fall? All right, Aliyah's gonna put that in the blender. Thank you. Get it all in there.
My stomach hurts now.
Your stomach hurts.
I'm sensitive to the onion smell.
Girl, bye.
Girl, you get that?
You might have to stop it halfway through to shake it, you know?
Yeah.
No, take it off and shake it. You shook it while it was already. You're funny, baby. All right, there we go. Mom, where you going? We cooking. You ain't helping. Get out of here. Get us a big bowl. Yeah, for the meatloaf. Thank you.
The gray one.
I know you looking like Lordy. I gotta get down in there. Look, there you go. It wasn't hard. Okay. Leah, you gonna be mashing it, or is Nana mashing?
You gonna mash it.
Who?
Come on, Leah.
Aaliyah? Okay. Come on, baby. This the hamburger meat we got. Aaliyah's gonna mix that ground turkey and all of that ground beef. Go ahead, put it in there, baby girl. How about the whole thing, Nana?
Yeah.
We're gonna make a big old meatloaf today.
You got big pans?
Yeah. Yeah. Up in there. We need a lot more pepper than that, huh? I love garlic. What's up, Sean? Sean want to say something, Fire Squad.
First time
First time what?
that I got Jordans. The first time.
Oh, comment down below. Okay, Sean with his Jordan 1s. Turn it to the other side. Okay, with the Jordan 1s. You looking fresh, man. Yeah. Take the middle out and then shake it in there. Go ahead, girl. Get it out of there. Come on.
The onion smells so strong.
Evaporated too. Milk. Thank you.
It velvetizes the meat.
It makes it velvety. Okay. Yeah, put your hand in there, girl. Stop. Get your hand in there.
I will. It's just...
Look, Nana gonna show you how it's done. Like that.
Oh, I can't.
The evaporated milk is right there.
Why are you making that face, Eliott? A milk is right here.
It's
Let me open these breadcrumbs for the meatloaf. All right, there's a breadcrumb. And then I add some Worcestershire. Here's another egg. There you go, Leah. Mix it up, baby girl. Come on, get in there. It's cold. Is your hands freezing?
My eyes are watering.
From the onion?
Yes, it's because I think it's because it's all smashed up.
Feed my dishes as I went.
Really?
Nana's here. I think she's an influence in me.
Nana said, clean as you go.
Yeah, she's rubbing off on me.
More bread.
so that.
No.
The whole bowl flipped over.
No, these are just cutting.
Yeah.
You got a big one.
No, not bigger than that. I'll look at you.
That's the biggest one.
There's one in here.
You could do two on
You
there.
want two?
the two together since they're
Are
flat.
we putting that one under it? Like this? Slap it up. Come on, Leah. You got it, baby girl. There you go. Look at that. Skills. Flip it.
Oh.
Go, girl. Yay. All right. Putting it in there. Whoa.
It's like a loaf of bread, you know?
That's a good looking meatloaf right there. We're now getting the cabbage ready. Nana, you're making like a cabbage, fried cabbage? No. No? Cabbage and carrots. Cool. And then we have some fat. What do they call it?
Country ham fat.
Country ham fat that we got Nana brought from the VA. Gonna put it in that pan, get it on the stove. It's on 4. It's doing the cuts. She's being supervised by adults. We have to say that just in case folks, you know. Good job. There you go. You're gonna help later with the strawberry shortcakes for dessert, okay? She wants some of this jelly. We'll make that later. There you go, Leah. Thank you. She is doing a good job. Look at that. That's all good flavor right there. All of that. Put a little seasoning salt.
You got salt in the ham, you know?
Are these potatoes going in the cabbage, Nana?
No, those potatoes don't make the mashed potatoes.
Oh, okay. Bumpy potatoes. Leah's getting her potatoes ready for the bumpy mashed potatoes. Use those, and then we're gonna use this pack. Why not? Getting the cabbage in. That fat's rendering down for it.
I smell the flavor. It's really
It smells
strong.
so good. That Virginia ham. Hey, baby girl. Got the carrots. Not all of them. Just a few of
Oh,
them.
that's half a bag. Wait.
You see how many? Yeah, that's enough.
All right, putting that carrots on top. Oh yeah. I hear that ham fat. Ooh, it's going. It's dinner, as you can see.
Yeah.
We also got chicken drumsticks we're going to be cooking tonight, too. We're going to rinse these, too. We're going to put in this bowl with some salt and water. Put some salt in there. All right, go ahead and put water in there. Nana, she requested that we clean the chicken this way. Now, go in a circle with it, Eliott. Yeah, go ahead. Ew, no. Ew, Leah. Come on. Go ahead. And then rinse it real good, get all that salt off. We're going to use the same bowl to let it marinate a little bit. Nana probably want me to use red hot, but I'm going to use this hot sauce with the little marinade. This is called guacamaya. I love this hot sauce. Where is it from again? It says product of Mexico, just as hecho in Mexico. So basically made in Mexico. I asked Nana if I could use this. She said, heck no. No? All right, Nana wants us to use red hot. I tried to be quick and use the one from Mexico. We got to beat the egg, Eliott. All right, she got the hot sauce in there.
But I touched the chicken with it now.
We got this egg we're beating up.
Come on.
Okay. Put a little seasoned salt in there, some garlic. Eliott. All right. Did you put garlic in there? More of that. Now we're going to put some milk in there. Is that enough milk, Nana?
I don't say no milk.
Oh, I thought you want milk in it. Oh, well.
I said water.
Oh, my gosh. Milk tastes better anyway. Oh, you okay, Eliott? Rinse your eye out. Put a little celery salt up in there. A little bit of cayenne pepper. That's good. And I told Nana I got this Kentucky Kernel seasoned flour. And I'm going to be using this, and we're going to put it in the air fryer today. Here you go. Making a mess, baby.
More?
Yeah.
Golly, Eliott. All right, let's put the chicken in there.
So just drop it?
Come on,
Got
girl.
about 3 of them in there.
Yeah. And then you're going to shake it up.
Alright.
Okay. All right, careful. Keep it closed.
Okay.
All right. Bring your bag with you.
Okay.
Go ahead and put it in there, sweetie.
It won't come out.
Yeah, it will. Right there. There, you can get one.
Put 4 in there at a time.
Yeah. There, the drippings from the meatloaf.
Oh, you put on.
It's
One pack.
Put 2 packs in there, Lee. Yeah, add some water, baby girl. Bring it over there.
splash.
Go ahead, girl.
Oh.
Come on. That's enough.
There you go, Lee. The back one's on, by the way.
Cashew eggs smell coffee.
He said barbecue.
Barbecue.
We're not making barbecue, silly. Putting that instant in there with boiled pieces of potato, salt, pepper, and butter. Yeah, mash it in there, girl.
I think we need more.
Instant.
You gonna get some more.
Some ketchup on that meatloaf. We
We just spread it.
looking good, looking good. And what you got here? Some corn cakes, Nana?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna
Oh,
be
they're
good.
called corn cakes?
We're gonna fry those up. And that's just cornmeal, pancake mix, and evaporated milk. So looking good. They about to flip soon too. Hold your pan as you flip. There you go. Let's see how it's looking. Ooh wee, baby. The corn cakes. Ooh. Yep. Chicken's looking out that air fryer. Look at that. Boom. Shakalaka. Yes. It's the outcome of dinner. Man, oh man. Look at that meatloaf, broccoli, mashed potatoes, the cabbage, the corn cake. There we go. All right, how's the food?
Good.
All right, what do y'all like the best, or what do you like? Do you like the meatloaf?
Yes, the best. The meatloaf.
Do you like the meatloaf, Shawnee boy?
Yeah.
Yeah. How's the chicken? I didn't try the chicken yet. It's the best. And that was no grease. That was in the air fryer.
All of it?
Yeah, well, yeah, the chicken was, but the boys like it. Eliott, look at.
He already done finished the chicken.
Right, you finished it too. Sean said me too. Everybody's here eating. The family.
I think it's like it's a barbecue brand.
Kenneth, how's the food? Do you like it? He likes it, huh? You like it?